So it's Walter and Jim at the Cine Expo in LA at the Paramount Studios. Everybody's extremely happy to be back at Paramount Studios. Jim works for NiSi Filters and Lenses. He knows everything about the lenses and filters. Today we are looking at the
C5 matte box.
And it has dual slots. Top slot is for?
Top slot is a 4x4 slot, but also it utilizes a proprietary VND filter, which goes 1 stops to 5 stops, or it can use a true color polarizing filter in that slot. So we've got that on top. Filter slides out like that. Then we have a 4x5 tray on the side here, and this will hold any standard 4mm thick 4x5.65 filter. And actually, when you buy our basic kit, which is called the Filmmaker Kit, you've got a 1 to 5 variable ND and a 4-stop filter. So in one set, you have from 1 stop to 9 stop variable ND. You also have a black mist filter that comes with it. So that set is a $569 sell. It's an outstanding value. The basic matte box itself is a aluminum base with a polycarbonate hood and a carbon fiber flag. The flag is lockable in whatever position you need it to be. It's also removable should you care to remove it. Another little design aspect, because it's designed to be on drones and such, is that it's got air baffles that you can do looking straight on, so that it won't catch the wind. Wind will pass right through it. So again, you could use any standard 4x5 in the side slot, any standard 4x4 in the top slot. We can even accommodate 100 by 100 millimeter to... No, not that.
Don't touch stuff, Walter.
Okay. No, that's fine, but that is our Rotatray True Color Polarizing Filter. That's for 4x5.65. It'll fit into a 6mm slot, unlike a bright tangerine or an RE-map. The 4x4 tray can go in instead of the VND or instead of the polarizer.
Is there anything else I should know about this?
No, we covered it.
And how many filters, did you say how many filters you get?
Okay, when you get, all right, well, we'll keep going.
Yeah, well, keep it going.
So like I said,
I'm actually interested in this.
you can buy just the matte box itself.
But it's better to get the kit.
It's better to get the kit. The matte box itself is $199. We have 2 kits. We have a kit that includes the VND, the 4 stops, so now you have from 1 to 9 stop between the 2 filters, and a black mist 1/8, which is like a filter that decreases contrast and blooms light. For $699, we add in the polarizer, so now you have a complete set.
So one shop and you have everything.
Yep, that's it.
How long you been coming to Cine Expo? Personally.
This is our first Cine Gear. So there you go. We were at NAB, we're at Cine, because off to our side here, we just also introduced some lenses, and maybe Walter will take...
You want to go over there and look at the lenses?
The lenses, I'd love to.
Well, let's go over there.
Okay. Walter, thank you for letting me show off our new Athena line of lenses. These are lenses that are brand new to NiSi. They have been built and designed and are completely manufactured by NiSi in the NiSi factory. The intention of these lenses was to bring out a range of lenses from wide to telephoto that all carry the same weight, the same controls, the same throw on the helicoids, the same throw on the aperture rings, so that a gimbal or a Steadicam user can change the lenses out without having to rebalance them. Now, in the initial tests that were done at NAB, it became very evident that NiSi really hit something very unique here. In a very, very reasonably priced lens, we have a lens that is extremely sharp, extremely clean, has beautiful bokeh, has very low chromatic aberration, and virtually no color fringing at all. So the lenses have been being reviewed, and a lot of information has been coming out about them, that they are a great prime lens for smaller format cameras. We have them in PL mount, we have them in RF mount for Canon, we have them in E mount for Sony. Now the E mount and the RF mount feature a drop-in filter like this, and the filter, if I can hold my lens, you'll see it pulls out. On the PLs, we couldn't do that, so the PLs actually have a rear-mounted screw-in filter. Now on top of this, all of the lenses can take filters on the front, either with a matte box, or the lenses, except for the 14, all have 77 millimeter front threads as well. They're compact, they're lightweight, they work perfectly with like a DJI Ronin. They'll balance easily, and again, as you change the lenses out, you won't have to rebalance. So I think we've really hit a home run right out of the dugout. And thank you for letting me show them off.
And Jim, when are these out now?
They are, the delivery of them now, orders we're taking today will be available mid-July.
You mentioned
orders that have been taken, like at NAB and subsequent to that before Cinegear, the first lenses and the full range of filters are going to be here at the end of June.
And why are they so smooth when you focus? When I was touching them, they seemed really smooth.
These lenses were designed, the owner of NiSi, this was a pet project of his, and he wanted to bring something really unique to the market. Like I said, he wanted to bring a range of lenses that all had the same size and all had the same weight with the same controls. He wanted to be able to have them use remote motors so that they're very fluid on the camera, so that a follow focus operator can use follow focus on a monitor. Everything about the lenses they were designed by the collaboration of a lens engineer, 2 movie makers, and the owner of the company to bring a really great lens to the market at a really reasonable price.
And these, do they glow in the dark, or are they still?
They're phosphorescent, but they're phosphorescent, but they do not glow in the dark.
Well, thank you very much, Jim.
Thank you so much, Walter. I appreciate it.
Thank you.